Hello students, today we will explain question number first, chapter 8 science. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Means any object has moved through a distance. His displacement is zero. It is possible. So yes, it is possible. When any object travel point A, straight line point B, and return point B to point A, so its displacement is zero. Distance at displacement to different point and different means distance is equal to length of this path. Distance is equal to any path, its length is letter A to B, its length is equal to 5 meter, so it is distance. But displacement is minimum distance between initial to final point. Clear? So any condition displacement is zero. Example, any path, any object moved A to B point, it is 4 kilometer. Clear? Any object moved A to B point and return B to A point. This condition distance is 4 kilometer plus 4 kilometer. Distance is 4 plus 4, A to B, B to A. So distance is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 kilometer. But displacement is object move to A to B point and return B to A point, so displacement is zero. This is difference of distance and displacement. So we will write its condition. An example, A to B path, AB is equal to 4 kilometer, B to A 4 kilometer, total 8 kilometer, but displacement is zero. Write this answer. Yes, zero displacement it possible if an object has moved through a distance. Suppose a body is moving in a circular path, and start moving point A and it is return back to same point A. Start point A and return point A. The distance will be equal to its circumference while displacement is zero. Clear, students?